Come on.
Polocostos? I don't know. I think I had an extra O.
There's a P in the front of it. How's that? Mark?
Listen, we are just going to call you Marco. So if we draw it and you hear Marco Polo, that is you.
All right.
Matt Kick.
So what I'm doing here is we were going to do YouTube Live, and then
Yeah, that didn't happen.
it didn't work because we don't have enough subscribers. We're small time still.
Yes,
Yeah.
help us, please.
Yeah.
I'm
YouTube
pleading
said-
to both phones right now.
YouTube said we're not famous enough that
Yeah, they said no. So I'm going to go ahead and film this. So there's 2 cameras on it, on the drawing. And then
And the lights are back on for a moment.
we will post this on YouTube later. It won't be live. My apologies.
Ohio Jeeper.
Before she go down. Terry Huey. Terry Huey.
Yeah, are you a little jealous that he got the easy one? Ohio Jeeper.
Actually, no, I'm pretty good with the Terry Huey because, I mean, Huey helicopters.
There
Lena
you go.
Wills. That's my last one I got. We didn't read some of them that are in there, guys. I started putting these in before the camera started rolling, and I've done squeeze the bucket now to where it's an O-bill.
Dylan Davis.
There was quite a few entries, I can tell you that.
There was 25 comments on the one video, which we appreciate sincerely, both of you.
Caleb Geen.
And not all of them were 1 ton. Some of them were just comments on our videos, which we appreciate.
Yeah, we love hearing what you guys think, that's for sure.
Ian Cushman. Which if you pull it out, the way my handwriting is, it'll look like it says I am Cushman. So please read it like that. Just sorry. Start rolling.
Well, I think since I didn't fold or write any of them, maybe I should be the one to draw it.
Yes, works for me. And I'll hold it way up above my head since I'm taller than both of you.
Well, now wait a minute.
Nathan.
You gonna make me go get the ladder?
Alright, never mind.
You got all of them there, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Here, Adam, you want to get...
No, let me set it up.
Yeah. That leg, I got to tighten that bolt up. That didn't used to do that. That bolt's getting loose. Am I, make sure I'm in clear view of this one. Can you see Kagan? Is this good here?
Oh, I see it. Yep. It is amazing, the video on this.
You know, when you...
You can fit your entire head in the picture.
Oh,
Let me back this up a little bit because I don't have it very wide. There we go. We're getting it set up here, fellas. Look, if I can turn it just a little bit more, you can see the GL1000 in the background that's collecting dust.
I've wrote some messages to you on it.
Yeah.
It says, finish me, please, on the side of it.
If any of you are actually watching this video and are interested in seeing the GL1000, please say something in the comments and let me know. I still have 0 motivation right now. Well, mainly because it's snowing outside again today.
Yeah,
Whoa,
April
whoa.
1st and snow.
Yeah.
I mean, that's Ohio weather.
Yeah, Ohio, April Fools, no spring for you.
I said I was going to get the GL1000, which means I probably need to stand on this side.
I guess I would stand on this side.
Well, I don't know if maybe we're both in the lead. You stand there, let's see if we're in the... I gotta make sure Kagan's pretty face, see? You're not. We gotta turn a little bit like this. Now Kagan's pretty face is in there.
All right, we got. Thanks, Vance. Appreciate it. Appreciate the happy Easter Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
GEO 1000.
Easter is coming up.
What?
It says GEO 1000.
GL. That's GL1000.
No, it says GEO.
Yeah, it's a question mark. He's asking.
Oh.
The GL1000 is
GL.
the Honda. The
Yeah.
motorcycle.
But that raises an even better question. Can we get a Geo and put a 1000 Honda into it?
It might make more horsepower.
Actually, that would be an interesting project.
And it's shaft.
Hey,
so
Walker's got a Geo Metro.
Yes.
It used to be red, and now it's like faded, so it looks pink, and it's convertible, and we call it his Barbie car.
Listen,
So,
we know a couple guys.
Amy,
in the
happy
shop.
Easter.
We could fabricate a drive shaft, bolt it straight from that to the transmission.
So, what time is it? My phone's actually doing the.
I got 512.
We are late.
We are late.
We are late. Sorry,
I
guys.
got 5:12.
So, all right, let's get this show on the road then. I have the bucket,
You can just show them that everything's in the bucket.
tickets,
For those of you just tuning in,
tickets.
I did not help fill out or fold tickets.
Yes, Kagan filled them out. Me and Kagan tore them up, folded them. We used 2 tickets, wrote first and last name on it, folded it, and then done another quarter fold,
My
or
idea.
half a fold.
My
So
idea.
they're all like that. And since I'm the tallest one,
He's not ashamed to give credit, is he, to himself?
Oh, never.
Oh, man.
come on there.
Next
Listen.
step. Next
You're
step.
not supposed to sit on the top. Is this the winner? This is the winner, right?
Yeah.
Let's go with, I've got one right here. I'm going to attempt to read it if it's his handwriting that bad.
Wait. Let's both try and attempt. Don't read out loud.
Confucius say.
That's not bad. We can read that one.
Yeah, that one's easy. I got an Eric Layne.
Eric Layne, you the man.
Congratulations.
So, Eric, you want to reach out to me through Facebook?
Or just so everybody sees it. Eric Layne.
And he tore the ticket too.
Well, the ticket kind of broke into it.
Probably where we folded it.
Yeah. Right
So,
there.
Eric, if you want to reach out to me on Facebook through Wrench Benders, just send us a private message, and we'll get with you. And yeah, on YouTube, Eric. Eric, go to Wrench Benders, and I got 2 cameras going, guys. I'm sorry. So.
He's loving it though.
No, I'm not. I'm confused. It's like I want a cross-eye or something. Reach out to me on Wrench Benders on Facebook. If you can't find Wrench Benders, look up me, Ben Matthews. Send me a private message. We'll get with you. And guys, we will go Facebook Live. What?
That's not YouTube.
That is YouTube.
That is
But
YouTube.
It will be.
It will be.
Will be.
It
Yeah,
will
we're
be.
not live. We're live there. We're not live here as
Oh,
I'm posted.
okay.
They told us we couldn't
He's not
do
following
live.
along.
No, I know we couldn't do the live.
So
That's why I
anyways.
thought we were doing another live platform.
So, yeah, Eric, reach out to me. We'll get together. We'll run a Facebook Live when I go to give it to Eric. So, that's part of the deal, Eric. You got to be on camera. That's how it works.
We may, throw in some egg rolls with the wontons.
Wonton.
So, but anyways, Kagan,
Yeah.
in there in front of the shelf. You want to drag it in here real quick, if you don't mind?
We're dragging stuff?
No, what he just won.
Oh!
We raffled it off. It's in the other room.
Oh, well, I could walk it in there. Yeah, it's light in here.
It's light.
We like to watch Kagan
It's
work.
not. Kagan likes lifting heavy things in front of people.
It makes me feel good. There we go.
It has got the knuckles already drilled out to 7/8 and 5/8 and 7-degree taper. It's got a drop pitman arm already, and basically this is a bolt-on kit. It might need new ends at some point in time. These are actually still pretty stiff, so it's still good. It should be ready to go. You'll need a few keepers, but that's a bolt-on kit for definitely any XJ, and I think YJ, I'm not sure, guys, but it's a Dana 30. So,
Sometime, Jay.
we'll take that to Eric. So, thanks for watching. That camera. And now you guys, thanks for watching on live. And you guys will have to keep an eye out for when we go live, go meet up with Eric.
Also, thank you guys just for tolerating us getting everything set up for the video. And on this one, thanks for watching the video. See you guys.
See you guys later.